Hi traders, this is Andrew Masters from FIBO Group and welcome to my weekly Forex report. On Monday, we expect the week to kick off slowly as a lack of important statistics hit the market, but there may be a few trading opportunities in the US dollar with the release of the Chicago Fed National Activity Index, which is an indicator of overall economic activity and inflationary conditions. On Tuesday, during the European session, we'll see the release of the latest business sentiment index out of Germany from the agency IFO. This figure has been falling in recent months, and a continuation of this trend may see the euro come under pressure. Later in the US session, the market will await the release of the latest new home sales figures from the US for the month of July. This important indicator has been on the rise in recent months, which shows a strengthening US housing market, and we may see the US dollar rise on the back of more good news. In the American session on Wednesday, the highlight of the day will be the release of the latest durable goods orders figure from the US. There is traditionally quite a bit of volatility surrounding this news in the US dollar, and especially in the first hour of trading. The US Fed will be particularly interested in this figure, as well as it may help them to make up their mind on whether to raise interest rates next month. On Thursday, the focus will again be on the American session, with the release of the latest GDP figures from the US for the second quarter of this year. Investors are expecting a good number on the back of the preliminary figure, which came in positive after its release in late June. GDP is one of those other important indicators that the US Federal Reserve is keeping an eye on in their quest to tighten US monetary policy, and volatility is expected in the US dollar. On Friday, we expect plenty of action in the market with the release of news and important indicators from around the globe. In the Asian session, we'll see the release of the Consumer Price Index and unemployment rate from Japan, and we may see the yen come under pressure if the jobless rate comes in higher, as some are predicting. In the European session, the market will await the preliminary index on consumer prices from Germany, which should create some volatility and some trading opportunities in the euro. To finish off the week, the US session, the market will await the release of statistics on consumer sentiment and inflation from the University of Michigan, which tends to create volatility in the US dollar, and we may present traders with some good trading opportunities as we close out the week. That's all from me at FIBO Group, and I'll see you all next week.